Hi, boys and girls. Today's story is called Spring is Here. Mole woke up. Is it spring? He wondered. He opened the window to smell the air. Sniff, sniff, sniff. He dressed and tiptoed past Bear's bedroom and stepped outside. He felt mud under his feet. Squish, squish, squish. Spring is here, cried Mole. I must tell Bear. Mole rapped on Bear's window. Tap, tap, tap. Snore, replied Bear. Mole dashed inside and knocked on Bear's door. Knock, knock, knock. Snore, replied Bear. Mole tickled Bear's nose. Swish, swish, swish. Snore, replied Bear. Mole played his horn for Bear. Toot, toot, toot. Snore, replied Bear. Oh dear, sighed Mole. Spring is here and Bear must get up. Mole thought and thought, then he scampered outside. He gathered, he milked, he churned. He poured, he mixed, he baked. Finally, he shuffled into Bear's room. Wake up, Bear, mumbled Mole. Spring is here. Yum, replied Bear. Then he looked at Mole. Wake up, Mole, said Bear. Spring is here. Snore, replied Mole. The end.